This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kimberly Denton. Gorgeous home with open floor plan and updates galore in sought-after Little Neck community. Beautiful kitchen with granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast nook. Large living space with fireplace open to dining room and sunroom. 3 spacious bedrooms downstairs including primary bedroom with 2 closets, walk-in closet designed and installed by Closet Factory. Both full bathrooms were renovated within the last month. Even the laundry room has been updated with pantry space and a granite folding table above the washer and dryer. 4th bedroom is room over the garage. Enjoy close proximity to Little Neck Swim and Racquet Club, Kingston Elementary, Brill Field, and the seasonal Kings Grant Farmers Market.